Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I'm going to give a monthly update for July 2022. So you can see from this candlestick chart, each bar is 1 month, and we started the year with this red candle in January. February was red, and then March green, and then in April, there was a very big red candle. May was slightly green. Last month was very red. You can see we hit our low for the year in June, and then here in July is this green candle. So we had a little bit of a rebound in the SPY. So let's look at the Dow. Similar pattern with the Dow. We can see last month was red and we hit the low, and then this month there was a recovery. And if we look at the Qs, and we see a similar pattern with the Qs. So this is the ETF that tracks the NASDAQ. You can see the low was last month in June, and then we had a big green candle here in July. So let's take a look at how the portfolio did for the month of July. Okay, here we are in the trading dashboard, and this is for, again, July 2022. Now, if you want a copy of this trade log, there is a link down in the description. So it's a free download. Go ahead and just click on the link, and then you can customize as needed. So you could see for the month of July, it's just this, it's barely green. That's how we did for this month. You could see that $589 was made in total profit for the month of July. It was only 3.44%. So my monthly goal is 6%. However, we only hit 3.44. So again, everything this year in profit, all these green bars, they're going to look very small compared to the losses that we took early on in the year. So of this $589, $203.05 went back to my personal account. The remainder, $385.95, went for my lifestyle trading. So let's take a look at some of the trades, and then we'll take a look at this lifestyle trading progress. Okay, this is the trade log tab of the free trade log, and you can see up here in this month slicer, I'm only selecting the July trades. So these are the trades that were closed in the month of July. They may have been opened earlier, but they are closed in the month of July. So any profits and losses will be recorded on this month. Some of these are highlighted in blue, some in red. These were those trades that that I took and completed for my UPC challenge between Mara and Nicola. So if you missed that series, there is a playlist on my channel, so you can see how this small account trading challenge went, where basically I took each of these tickers, gave each ticker $1,000, and I only sold options premium to see which one had the most profit by the end of 3 rounds or 3 weeks. But that's how I'm tracking them in the trade log, as I'm just highlighting them based on the color that I assigned them in the UPC bout. All right, so there's a lot of trades. 51 trades were made this month, $589 in profit. So let me scroll over to the right so you can see the profits and losses of each trade. I'm also making this smaller because there's just so much information on this one tab. I wanted you to be able to see all of it. Okay, so here in this column, you can see all of the greens are the wins, the reds are the losses, and there were a lot more losses this month than there were last month, I think, but obviously more wins than losses. So the reason I have so many losses here, I'm not going to go over each loss, but there is a span of them down here. So these right here are where I sustain most of my losses. And you'll notice that the direction of each of these were all longs. And so what I was doing is I was deviating from my strategy where I would normally sell calls and sell puts, basically running the wheel strategy or selling options premium. But instead, I was trying to profit off of the directionality of the market by buying options. And so that's why the direction is long. I was purchasing calls and puts on these different tickers, and I lost money on that. So I don't know if I would have made my goal this month, but I definitely would have been a lot closer had I just stuck to my trading plan of selling options premium. So that's definitely what I will be doing next month. And so that was a good lesson learned for this month. Still profitable, but I definitely would have been more profitable had I had more discipline and stuck to the trading plan. Okay, let's take a look at the lifestyle trading update for this month. Okay, here we are in the lifestyle trading spreadsheet. And so you can see down here for the month of July, let me highlight it right here, you can see that we didn't make the goal. So the idea is to make $653 each month in trading and use that to pay or make the monthly payments for my auto loan for my Tesla Model 3. So the whole plan for this is in a video that I'll link on the screen here. But it's basically taking out a loan, using it to trade with to be able to make enough payments for not only the interest on that loan, but also payments for the auto loan to purchase this car. And then at the end, when the car is all paid off, then go ahead and pay back that entire loan. So that's what I'm referring to as lifestyle trading. And we've made these payments except for these last three except for three of them that you see here, the last one being this month of July. So what I'm going to do is what I did 2 months ago when I didn't quite make my goal, is I'm going to put all the money that I made for this month, $589, into this lifestyle trading. So it's still short about $56, so let's say $60. So next month, August, when I hopefully make my goal for next month, I can make an additional $60, and that way I'll be able to pay off next month's auto loan payment from trading as well as this month's. I can reimburse myself for this month's. So if I don't make my goal for trading, I just take it out of my regular budget and make the auto payments. But the idea is not to do that. It's to use this trading, this asset that I have, to pay for the liability of the Tesla Model 3. So we're doing pretty good. I think I'm in a pretty good position set up for next month. Obviously, I would have been in a much better position had I not taken so many of those losses by not sticking to my trading plan. So I guess the lessons that you can learn from this month are there's two lessons. One is to stick to your trading plan, and secondly, to track all of your trades so that you can see where you went wrong. So if you want to track your trades, I would highly suggest using a trade log such as the one that I'm offering for free. Again, link is in the description if you want to use it. Just click on it, click on File, then make a copy, and then it's saved right there in your Google Drive. The other way you can track your trades is by using the Trade5 app, and I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. But it's a app that I created that you can track all of your options trades right on your mobile phone for all of those traders that are on the go, such as myself, or are just not in front of a computer all day. So there's a free 30-day trial to try the app out. And if you like it, remember, it's half off until the end of the year. And then I'll just go back to full price starting in January. So that's it for this month's update. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or catch me on Twitter at Trading5 Talents. And in the meantime, if you want to continue to view my progress with options trading and using it to pay off my Tesla Model 3, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.